tags. Okay, and just I just copy paste this because minimum 700 or 700 approximately words required. I am just pasting this because as you know that minimum 700 words are required. So let's click on here and select the image. So I just select the image and click add. So we have minimum required 800 and we have total 270 words. So article must have at least 800. So we just click here and again publish, so that it must be at least 800 words. Are you getting my point? So now I am clicking and you can see the article is publishing. So here this article is in pending mode and I can you just see here this article, this image, and all things are here, but username, date, 40 minutes read. So sometimes this application has some errors because of Vercel. So now admin has this blog also, and admin can approve this blog. You can see here, yes, you can see master blog and you can see his profile also. So you can see here his profile, and sub admin can see his profile also, like profile pic. And this article is showing here. So now admin can approve, decline. If admin can decline, then you just write a reason for declining. I just write this. So if we select